off topic, under the topic. Where's the topic? But there's a Bhagavatam, and of course, walking into the intimate lilas of Krishna with the solid track shoes of tattva and philosophy, then we won't trip and fall on our faces. So this is the standard of all the teachers, is that we don't just, the lila, the ras. We want to understand the ras, and we want to actually have rasa swadhana and taste that ras. But until we come to the exalted and coveted platform of Bhava Bhakti, which may be a while, a few lifetimes while, we can hope against hope, and certainly we all try our best. But at the level of Bhava, then we can experience the combination of different components of rasa and actually taste something. We're already tasting bliss, and that's explained also in Bhakti Sandarbha. The new devotee is not initiated, he only comes on Sunday. He's been coming for 39 years. Your father saw him in the Sunday feast, and you saw him in the Sunday feast, and your son saw him in the Sunday feast. But he's because what Jiva Goswami says is what the bliss we feel. Oh, what a great kirtan! Oh, prasadam's great. I'm so happy. That's real, and it's transcendental, and it's a drop from the ocean of Ladani Shakti. Ladani, halad. Lad means satisfaction or pleasure. So any contact with bhakti is bhakti, and bhakti brings with it joy and happiness. As Prabhupada said, Kevalananda Kanda, not rather Prabhupada, but Lochandas Thakur, Parama Karuna Pahandu Ijana, Nitai Kora Chandra, like this. So it says, this Kanda means process, Kevala Ananda Kanda. Kanda means way, process, practice, sadhana, bhakti, bhajan, Sunday feast, Mahaprasad, Kirtan, Sankirtan, book distribution. We're in bliss. We're selling books. We're in bliss. Oh, no, it's not really bliss. It's just like you're on drugs or this or that. No, Jiva Goswami, his highest authority, said, we're tasting a drop of Ladani Shakti. We're tasting a drop of the bliss, ocean of bliss that Radharani's swimming in. And that's why in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Sri Jiva Goswami Pada uses the analogy that the Brahmananda, the infinite, Brahman means infinite. So the Brahmananda, the infinite bliss that the yogis and gyanis are experiencing by realizing Brahman, which is fully perfect stage of transcendental realization, is like one drop of the Bhakti Ras Amrita Sindhu. So you want to go to the ocean, take a drop, can't ride a drop on your surfboard. Oh, I'm going to take this drop and bring it home, get on my surfboard. You can't go anywhere, You have to have a few drops. So this ocean is like that. Bhakti is ocean. So we're standing on the dry sands of conditioned life. We're standing on the dry sands of the beach next to the ocean of nectar of bhakti. And some spray comes up when the waves break and it lands on our face on a hot summer day. This is nice. So bhakti, sometimes we're in the doldrums and we're fried out or whatever, we use these words. We're, let's say, discouraged and nothing seems to happen. There's no reciprocation. Krishna, where were you? A few years ago you showed yourself. It's been and you were really there, and I can't see you now. Just remember, always remember those drops of sweetness, those moments of ecstasy, because they're real, and they were eternal, and they were transcendental. They were drops of mercy from Radharani's heart, Ladani Shakti, and that is bliss. The newest guy, he doesn't follow any regulative principles, nothing. And we all know people like that. But he likes Krishna. And he wears neck beads maybe even.